Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Winston Jones Highway. Now this highway is also known as the Mandeville Bypass. So to the left of us is the town of Mandeville. And Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and it's the largest town in central Jamaica. So the highway, there is a highway being built from Kingston to Williamsfield, which is right where this video started. So that's Highway 2000. So that highway will eventually run from Kingston to Montego Bay, but for now it's going to run from Kingston to Williamsfield. So when the traffic comes off the highway out the Williamsfield, or in the Williamsfield area, it then merges or continues on to this road, the Winston Jones Highway. And this road will take you along your journey. So if you're going to Mandeville, it takes you into Mandeville. If you're going on to Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, this road takes you along the way. Now, eventually another section of the highway will be built that will totally bypass this road. But for now, this is the road you have to use. So this road, also known as the Mandeville Bypass. So Mandeville is a large town. It has a lot of activity. The roads are narrow, a lot of traffic. So to help alleviate the traffic, this bypass was built. So if you're on your way to say St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland and you don't have any reason to be going into Mandeville, you don't have to anymore because of this bypass road. Saves time and helps to control the traffic in Mandeville. And it was named after Winston Jones, who was a politician in Mandeville. So it's the Winston Jones Highway. And it runs from the Williamsfield roundabout up to the Mandeville roundabout, which we're coming up to. Now, back in the day when Jamaica was building roads, before we had what you would now consider these superhighways, this is what was considered a highway in Jamaica. You have the Bustamante Highway, which is a road just like this, and you have this road, the Winston Jones Highway. Now, today we probably would not call a road like this a highway, because we have Highway 2000, which is we have Mandela Highway, which is a different type of highway. Maybe a highway you more would expect to see in the US. Alright, so at this intersect or this roundabout, turn left. We'll go around. This is Mandeville. So here, turn left here, we go to Mandeville. Turn left here, we go to Spur Tree. Turn left here, we go to Mile Gully. Turn left here, we go back on the Winston Jones Highway. So now we're going to head towards Spur Tree Hill. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.